Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Welcome to this IGCSE Mathematics revision lesson. In this video, we'll learn about 4 important number concepts: factors, multiples, highest common factor, or HCF, and lowest common multiple, or LCM. These topics appear regularly in IGCSE exam questions and are essential building blocks for algebra, fractions, and problem solving. Let's get started. A factor is a number that divides exactly into another number. Let's take the number 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. This is because each of these numbers divides into 12 without leaving a remainder. For example, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 3 is a factor of 12. Remember, factors are always equal to or smaller than the number itself. A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by whole numbers. Let's look at the multiples of 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. And so on. Unlike factors, multiples can continue forever. The highest common factor is the largest factor shared by 2 or more numbers. Let's find the HCF of 24 and 36. First, list all the factors of each number. Next, identify the factors that both numbers have in common. The common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The largest of these is 12. Therefore, the HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. HCF is useful when dividing items into the largest possible equal groups. For example, if you have 24 red counters and 36 blue counters, the largest equal group size possible is 12. This means you can create groups without any leftovers. The lowest common multiple is the smallest multiple shared by 2 or more numbers. Let's find the LCM of 6 and 8. First, list some multiples of each number. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. The first number that appears in both lists is 24. Therefore, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. LCM is useful for finding when repeating events happen together. Imagine one light flashes every 6 seconds and another flashes every 8 seconds. They will both flash together every 24 seconds. That's the lowest common multiple. A common exam mistake is confusing HCF and LCM. Remember, HCF looks at factors and finds the largest common one. LCM looks at multiples and finds the smallest common one. Always write out factors or multiples carefully if you're unsure. Let's recap. Factors divide exactly into a number. Multiples are found by multiplying. The highest common factor is the largest factor shared by numbers. The lowest common multiple is the smallest multiple shared by numbers. Master these skills and you'll be well prepared for many IGCSE Mathematics questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your revision. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.